Are you looking for the best large-capacity washers in 2024? If you need a machine that handles big loads with ease, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll review the top models to help you find the perfect washer for your home. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Maytag MHW8630HC. This is an outstanding choice for those who need a washer with a large capacity and superior cleaning performance. Its heavy-duty cycle excels at tackling tough stains, including red wine and oil, and its internal water heater helps achieve high temperatures for the sanitized cycle, effectively killing bacteria. This washer also offers practical features that simplify laundry day. The automatic detergent dispenser can hold enough detergent for up to 8 loads, eliminating the need to constantly refill. The fresh hold and overnight wash and dry functions keep your laundry fresh by tumbling the drum after a wash, preventing musty odors. The ability to wash and dry small loads, such as a shirt or two, is another convenient touch, making it ideal for large families who need efficiency and convenience in their laundry routine. Number 2. Profile PTW900BPTRS. This is a top-loading washing machine with a 5.4 cubic foot stainless steel drum, perfect for large families. It features an auto detergent dispenser that holds enough for up to 32 washes, reducing the need for frequent refills. With 8 cycles, 5 water temperatures, 3 rinse levels, and customizable soil and spin settings, it offers a tailored washing experience. The Smart Wash soil sensor adjusts cycle times based on laundry dirtiness, ensuring optimal cleaning. Alexa integration adds convenience, allowing you to control the washer hands-free. The washer excels in stain removal, with its normal and delicate cycles impressing with strong cleaning power. This washer combines large capacity, advanced features, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for busy households. Number 3. Samsung WFW9620HC. This washer brings the sleek and stylish bespoke line to your laundry room with impressive features. This extra-large capacity washer offers a 6.1 cubic foot drum, perfect for large households or frequent laundry loads. Its efficient cycles clean more stains in less time, reducing laundry days and speeding up your routine. The washer includes steam cycles for sanitizing baby clothes or pet blankets and removing wrinkles without an iron. Its interior LED light makes loading and unloading easier, even in low light. The self-cleaning mode helps maintain cleanliness by preventing odor buildup and eliminating manual cleaning. Another standout feature is its ability to stack with its paired dryer, making it ideal for tight laundry spaces or closets. Number 4. LG It combines futuristic design with impressive performance, making it a great choice for busy families. With a spacious 5 cubic foot drum, it boosts laundry capacity, allowing you to handle more in fewer loads. Its fast cycles help you power through laundry quickly, while the automatic detergent dispenser further streamlines the process. In terms of stain removal, the washer excels across most cycles. The AI-powered wash cycle, however, is slower and doesn't perform as well as others, taking longer to finish and showing slightly weaker stain removal results. Despite this, the washer's overall performance, speed, and convenience make it a top contender for any household looking to save time and effort on laundry day. Number 5. Whirlpool WFW9620HC. This is designed for fast, efficient laundry days with its large capacity and short cycle times. The bulk detergent drawer simplifies laundry prep, reducing the hassle of measuring soap. One of its standout features is the Fan Fresh mode, which uses fans to keep laundry tumbling and prevent moisture buildup for up to 12 hours, ensuring your clothes stay fresh until you have time to transfer them to the dryer. The cleaning performance is impressive, particularly on the normal and delicate cycles, meaning fewer reruns and better results in less time. This washer is a solid choice for busy households that want to save time without sacrificing cleanliness. So, which is the best? The LG WM6700HBA takes the top spot for its impressive capacity, energy efficiency, and advanced features. It's the best choice for handling large loads. Thanks for watching.